This video will show you how to install the PS Gate door controller. Included in the box are mounting hardware, user manual, and the PS Gate device. Begin by connecting the 836 AC/DC voltage power supply to the device. Then connect the operating system of the door to PS Gate's operational contacts. Use Smart Config to connect the device to the local network. The central block's blue light emitting diode starts blinking very rapidly for a quick period of time. That indicates that the device is in Smart Config mode. PS Gate is connected when the LED light stays on permanently. Now you can control and monitor your entry door barrier garage door from everywhere in the world.